Hello everyone, Shantae here. I hope you guys are having a great day. So I am here to share my submission for Polite Creations, her 1K Subbie challenge giveaway. So all you had to do was decorate an embellishment box and fill it and send it to her. So yeah, I had never made one, so this was a fun / stressful challenge for me, and just stressful because I've never I never did one, so this was fun. So I used this paper right here, the black and gold from Die Cuts with the View. It was a hot buy pad from like 2017. I saw one sheet was used out of this, so this was good because the thing that we got going on with Jamie, where you use stuff 6 months or older, got me digging. So that was good for this submission. So I followed a here is where it's gonna come in. I followed a tutorial by BB Crafts. I will have the tutorial in the description box below, Natasha's video in the description box below as well. Whoo, child. But anyway, so I just wanted to make something to house it in. So I have a lot of these coming up that y'all will be seeing in videos. So I decided to make the box for this one as well. It just says it's the little things in life that matter the most. And this is the packaging, which was so fitting for this embellishment box. So I did my closure with a Velcro dot. And so this is just some gold foil that I had. These are other papers from the collection. So I tried to fix it so she can reuse this if she wanted to. And that's just what all my information on there from me. And then I put 2 holes in the top for the drawer that has the embellishment box. And to make it more sturdy, I put paper on the front and the back of these, and then I taped down this trim with and taped up the holes just to make sure that it won't come loose, even though I had tied the knot. Okay, so on the embellishment box, I didn't think about this till after I did this. I should have not put this on, but it's on there now. So this is the front, just a sheet out of that paper pad. And then on the inside, I try to fill to the top all of the things. Now, her favorite color is gold. And I thought I had more gold than what I had stuff, believe it or not. So I had to add in more colors, but I tried to just use as much as gold since that's her favorite color. So this is just some mesh trim. I don't want to take it out because it was a beast trying to get this stuff in this little spot. And then in this one is, I got these plastic spools of different washies. These are Tim Holtz, and this one came from Michael's. All right, and these are resin pieces that I made, clear resin pieces, just different. I got different molds, just different kinds. These are resin, these are resins. But then these are the acrylic butterflies, like you can use them like your stick pins. So I gave her some of those. Like I said, I wanted to try to fill my things up. Like I said, these are just different types of resin pieces, flowers, suitcase, different stuff like that. Okay, and this one, are some mini spools that I got from Fun Stamper's Journey. The company Fun Stamper's Journey. And I just rolled on each one some twine and then some gold string. And then in this one is the glass beads that I put tape on and tie the thing around so they will come about. This is Martha Stewart micro beads. All right, these are just some pearls from Michael's. I forgot what these little things called, but I ordered them off of Amazon. And this one is some mini tiny bows and then some Velcro dots because you can always use that for storage. On this one is some of those beads. I couldn't find my white ones, but I was blessed with these, and they have different words on the top, on each side. And then these are just some wooden pieces underneath there. This is some, and I'm not going to pull that one out. It's a bunch of that trim that I love, the gold foil trim. Like this. And that one. And then this trim right here, which I'm not going to pull out because it was a beast to get in there, is this one right here that I love as well. So I hope she likes what I made. Yeah, I know I love clean and simple. It seemed like once I got in that clean and simple kick, I couldn't get off. So clean and simple, and I hope she can use what I put in the embellishment box. So y'all know that Mississippi, we had part of the bad storm like Texas and stuff, and so we haven't got mail in Monday it'll be a week. So as soon as everything open back up, I will get this in the mail to her. All right, so you guys have a blessed day, and I hope I haven't forgotten anything. I'll be back with another video. Bye.